So ever since I was young, I always wanted to be rich, have lots of money. Not like need bodyguards rich, but enough that I could go on vacation, buy fun things, and just not have to worry about money in general. In my 20s, I bought into a lot of high risk investments, and they all failed miserably. I bought into a Guyana gold mine, which looked great, was going up, and then the management basically sold the property to their own business, and all the investors got screwed. Yacht club in Kelowna that was looking great, only for the developer on his deathbed to transfer all the assets out. So again, investors got screwed. And a solar project in Ontario that looked awesome, low risk. Again, management screwed the whole thing. And as I've gotten older, some may say matured, but I'll just say aged, I've been I've been more risk averse. So I've been looking for those certainty things, knowing that as I get older, I need some more certainty in my life so that I can be confident in what I'm going into. And that's been the same with my business, with the SEO. And SEO in itself can be pretty, you never know what's going to happen with SEO. And that's been a big thing with the business. But as I've gotten older, I've found that there are lots of things that you can do in search engine optimization that do have staying power, you can be confident in, things that are what we call white hat SEO, where you can do it and it will just work, and it will work long into the future, instead of like the black hat, really, churn and burn type of stuff. And that's really been a major reason why Daryl and I have done Entity Elevation and looked at the things that we've done. When it comes to AI, that evolution is crazy. A lot of people are saying SEO is dead. And for informational and product review websites, it's kind of true, right? They're dead. But when it comes to local business, that's not been the case. There's been an evolution, and there's going to be more of an evolution because user behavior is changing when it comes to AI. There's no question that there's an evolution. But a lot of the things Daryl and I have been doing have been working, not just with SEO, but also with all the AI. And it's been awesome. And we found what we think are 4 pillars to making basically marketing work for the AI age. And we're going to share that in a workshop starting August 12th, where we're going to share our 4 pillars and go into details about what's been working, what we believe is working, and what we're confident is going to work for many years into the future. And it's been sort of the same thing with all the business. It's just a matter of getting confidence. We could have maybe brought this course out a year ago when everything got crazy, but it didn't make sense. So we've been analyzing, researching, watching, looking at all the patterns, looking at everything that has been working and hasn't. And also AI has been changing a lot too. But now it's starting to settle down and you're starting to see some trends. And those 4 pillars are all fitting really nicely into the trends. So join us for our AI workshop. We're going to share everything. And I am certain that if you have a local business or you work with local businesses, you're going to get a lot of knowledge and information that's going to help you now and into the future. Click the link below or wherever you might find it and sign up today, because you're not going to want to miss this. SEO is not dead. It's evolving. And if you don't evolve, you're going to go and fail like I did with my investments in the past. All right, we'll see you there.